All right, this is going to be short because the snow is coming in on me. This is what it looks like. Wind is blowing, snow in my face. Not appreciating the snow in my face. Just not really at all. Let's see where it is on the van now. It's coming up higher and higher. There we go. Yeah, there it is. Okay, and on the porch now, we see there's a whole lot more snow. And you can't see the steps anymore, although it is blown off of the banisters. When you look up into the trees, you can see it's, I don't know what they call that blizzard. It's probably a blizzard condition. You can see the car across the street, completely coated in snow. And that's the way that looks. Okay, we're going to go down here to the floor again. There's no kitties wanting to go outside. This is the door, and it's built up about 6 inches on the door. So we're going to call it a day. 3 o'clock on Saturday, January 23rd.